basically I was trying to let my AI like self-advertise on different websites, and they all restricted the API so that you couldn't like get in through the back door. So I basically gave my tree system a way to like look at the internet itself without like needing any type of programming. So I'm gonna test it right now.
Before you do this, can you remember my name for it?
I've been trying to fix this issue where it like reads it, but then it thinks it doesn't. So hopefully this time it works. You see like over here how it read it and it extracted it. I'm thinking it worked because it's taking a long time, which means it's probably processing it. And it keeps doing this every time. Yeah, like once I get it to work, it'll basically be able to like read any website and like scroll around and like click on different stuff. So like right now, if it did work, I could say click on the tab that says lava run, and it would automatically like click the tab, switch page. So I'm gonna have this like watching Reddit and like making a ton of comments.
I thought this was your website, but it says my brother's project. Did I make this website?
I think I made it, but I just like let you use it.
Well, then why would? But it says my brother's project for your game.
It's good. This site was originally just lava run, and then I think there was a different site called like TriPine, and then we made this one. And, like just I don't.
TriPine was like my really old studio, but IndiePine is when I like started getting into gamepad more.
Really need to use a faster model and a smarter model. I'm like testing on the stupidest models because I want this to work on like any system, but like this model is so freaking stupid. Like if I ran this through like ChatGPT, it'd just be like that.
I thought it was like an egg-shaped one, but it was just not paper.
Yeah, I'll show you my plan.
Is it just me or is it like really hot in our house today? I keep sweating pretty bad.
Just kind of warm. This is gonna be my tree idea. So there's basically, it's called the Evangelist tree, and it will have communities, which will be like all different Reddit communities it will join, and it will track all of its posts, all its comments, and profiles, and it will just basically make like a new folder for each community it finds, and then it will have this knowledge base where everything that ever gets said to it stores into this, so it'll just like be learning everything, and it will have all these different extensions, which will basically be empowering it behind the scenes. But it's gonna evolve, so like initially it won't be able to. It will like just post comments that are pretty like and generic, and people will like downvote it, and it will slowly just adapt and like learn what works and like what subreddits they should post to and which ones get the most attention.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Click on the tab that says lava run.
Is the trailer still on there? Remember that old trailer I made?
I think that might be in effect now.
Yeah, in fact, no, that was.
Let's see if it clicks this tab. Yeah, you see that, bro? I'm just like using an AI to navigate the internet for me. so simple, bro. Like, I'm just telling you to do basic things. Here's your demo.
Is there a video though? I swear there was a video.
Let's see. Go to youtube.com. Let's do it.
Just say search for YouTube.
It's probably not gonna work because it's gonna be looking for like YouTube on this page unless it knows what YouTube is.
Usually on the command it's just like search, and then just whenever you type search, you just put in what you want to look for.
I do, but it's for like the actual tree, not the internet. But let's go. Navigate to the website youtube.com.
At that point, like, why even type it into that? I just typed in the freaking URL. It's the exact same thing.
Because this is so the AI can control the internet, not for humans.
I know, but like, I'm saying like for now, like if you have to type a command, you may as well just type in the URL. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know, but what I'm saying is this is not